Hello, my name is Rachel and today I'll be showing you the Bushnell XL watch, which we have in grey, navy and black. In the box you will find GPS XL, a charger and the manual. When you take the watch from the box, please remove both stickers from the front and the back of the device. To then charge the unit, please connect the charger to the back of the device. And plug this into the computer. To turn the device on, please press and hold the bottom right button. To adjust the date and time, please select the lower left button, toggle down to settings, select time, set time by GPS. This will locate GPS signal and set the correct date and time for you. When you take the watch out of the box, please make sure to disable the auto off option. This is a battery saving mode which will switch your device off after 30 minutes, even if connected to a course. Please go to Setup, Auto Off and adjust to disable this option. To adjust the watch between yards and meters, please go to Setup, Yards and Meters, and select either yards or meters. To connect the watch with your phone, please go on to Menu, Bluetooth, select On. This will now pair with your phone.